The grill gazebo was sold at Aldi. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number 43472 or 31937-17. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8x5 and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are square frame posts with pedestals at the bottom of each post, arched frame with horizontal bars around the top perimeter of gazebo. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by corner and side pocket. Product note: please check frame dimensions before ordering. If your frame differs by more than 1 inch on any side, this canopy will not fit. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Aldi Grill gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.